Hi guys, stay with me and let's see how this style can be achieved. If you're a fashion designer and you still don't have the StyleBit application on your phone, then you are missing a lot. Do you know that you can now save your customers' measurement and their phone number on your device? You don't have to do pen and paper anymore. And one good thing about this StyleBit is that you never lose your customers' measurement. Once you save on this StyleBit application, you never lose it. Even if you change your phone, you can still retrieve or you can still get back to your customers' measurement. On this application, you can save orders to keep track of your financial status. This application also notify you about any order that is about to overdue so that you won't disappoint any customer. You get to know the number of customers